Hello, it's Rob here, and I just want to talk a bit about making money online. A lot of people are promoting how to make money online, but what you don't hear that often is about how to save money. Do you know that if you have a bad credit score, you're actually paying a lot more interest than you really need to be? So what do you need to do about it? You need to take action right now. For example, if you have a moderate credit score, you will be paying around $3,000 extra than someone who has a really good credit score. If you have a credit score that sucks, you'll be paying about $6,000 more interest on a $25,000 auto loan. So what can you do about it? You can take action now. I can hook you up with people that are experts at fixing bad credit. So whatever you do, take the time to get your credit fixed right now, and it can save you a whole lot of money over your lifetime. You'll save money on auto loans, home loans, personal loans. Also, it can have a factor in jobs and other things you may not be aware of. So take action today. Get in contact with me and I'll help you get in contact with people that will help you fix your credit score and improve your life by being able to save more money and have more money for things like going on holidays, massage, or whatever it is you desire. So message me and the information is yours. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.